In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain using Cloudflare. Now, let's dive right in and make the process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. This is your hub for managing domain services and other Cloudflare features, so make yourself comfortable with its interface. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Add button. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Register a Domain. This option is where you'll begin your journey to owning your unique corner of the internet. Now, it's time to think of the domain name you want to register. In the search bar that appears, type in your desired domain name. As an illustrative example, let's consider using youtube.com. Of course, we know youtube.com is a well-established domain and is no longer available for registration. When you hit the search button, Cloudflare's system will check for its availability. Given that popular domains like youtube.com aren't available, Cloudflare will helpfully show you a list of suggested domain names. These alternatives are automatically generated based on your original search, and they provide a variety of options. Alongside each suggested domain name, you'll notice the price listed next to it. It's important to review these options closely, as they might provide you with creative alternatives to your initial idea. When you've found a domain name that suits your needs or preference, all you have to do is click on the Confirm button next to it. This action will signify that you're happy with your choice and you're ready to proceed with the registration. Following this simple confirmation step, you'll have successfully begun the process of registering a domain through Cloudflare. Keep in mind, before finalizing, you may want to consider factors like the length of the domain, potential misspellings, and the brand identity it will create for you or your business. A memorable and concise domain name can have a significant impact on the ease with which people find your site and engage with your content. And just like that, you're all set up. Once registered, you can begin using your domain, personalize its settings, or even integrate it with various Cloudflare services to enhance its performance and security. I hope this guide was helpful and makes setting up your domain a breeze. Remember, having a domain is just the beginning of establishing your online presence. Stay tuned for more tips on how you can leverage Cloudflare's fantastic suite of tools and services. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.